Hello, it's your one and only sister AB Media. I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope you guys are doing all right. So today, don't mind me today. Today I just the vex. I want to tell you, I have a lot of things to say today. So if you never subscribe to my channel, try and subscribe. And subscribe is very good. Subscribe to me, show me some love. Okay, guys. God bless you for my new subscribers, my old subscriber. More blessing to you guys. Thank you for watching my video, all my Igbo YouTube and my fellow members, my fellow group, beautiful women in YouTube. God bless you for all you're doing. More blessing to you guys, beautiful women in YouTube. Thank you for your love, for your support. God bless you all. So today, just a few things that is bothering me. I want to say about what I want to say is about family. You have to look good for your husband, my sisters. You have to look good to your husband. You don't have to be saying, "Oh, do like this, do like this." You have to look good. Because if you're not looking good, when the man go outside and see some chick there, see some ladies looking hot, im eyes go dey there o, na so im go open im eyes dey look. You understand me? So you have to look good even though you're married. Don't make yourself like mama. Don't keep yourself like an old woman. Look good for your husband. Look good for your husband. Look good for your family. You don't say because you're married, you keep yourself so dull, so like old woman. It's not making sense, my sisters. Look good for yourself. Don't keep yourself like old person. Wear something hot for your husband, even though you're not wearing it outside. If you're inside, wear something hot so your husband will be saying, you will be attracting your husband. Because it's why some men go outside and be cheating. You understand? But when you look good for your husband, oh my sister, you will see every time your husband come back, your husband will be running after you. You say, ah, how is today? Even though he's staying outside, he have to come quick. Because the way you look, the way you do everything, the man will be so hungry to see you always. But some of us would like to dress the way we would like to dress. We don't want to dress hot for our man. You have to dress hot, even though you're married or you're not married. Look good for your man, even though you're fat, even though you're slim. You have to look very good for your man. It's very good though. It will make your man, no matter men. I know that some people say, men, no matter anything they cheat. I know, but you have to look hot. Even though you want to have go by like 100 outside, you will limit like 50 or 40. Because when you're not looking good, you're pushing the man away outside, looking at another ladies. You will see the way where another lady they are dressing, even though they are fat, they will make their fat look good. You would say because you're fat, you don't want to dress. You don't want to dress. My dear, not be for me. Oh. Me as I fat, so you see me so. I know they see anybody face. I know they see your face. You have to look good. So make your man know they look. If he those girls pass like this, make him know they look. Because I saw them go look. Even some men, if you follow them come out, their wife, they will leave their wife, they look another lady where they pass in home. Because what the lady wear is very, the man like those kind of things. So you have to dress for your man. Don't say because you're married, you keep yourself like this, you make yourself like this. You have to look hot for yourself, man. Look hot, ladies. Don't say because you're married, you keep yourself like your mother. You keep yourself because your mother is why you don't want to look hot. You don't want to say, I'm married. You know, African people used to do that thing. They will say, anybody that dress hot is going outside. The woman eyes, the woman is ashawo. No, my dear. Don't mind them. Oh. When they go outside, they see those ones where they call names. Their eyes, they there. Let me tell you. So you have to look good for your man. Stop some of them, because some of them will tell you that they don't like why are you wearing, you are married because your husband, they will say you're married, because of that you will not dress. Man, dress good, my sister. Dress well. When you say your husband eyes no go even come out for one bit for your face. But our people will say, African people, they used to do it. So many. They will tell you because my wife, I don't want him to be dressing, my dear. Dress good. Because when your husband go outside there, he's looking for those ones. So no matter he go come inside, he go take say, don't dress like that in my house. He's very, you don't know that you're married. Some of them, their eyes they there. Their eyes they for those ones where they dress hot. Okay? You have to look good. Don't be doing yourself like this or like that. Tie wrapper, do the dress hot. Makeup, even though they are not going anywhere. Makeup for your man. Look hot. When the man come back, the man will see, oh, is it my wife or another person? The man will look, would your husband will be looking at you. Ah, you look good. Okay? But some of us we don't care. Whether if the man like make you go outside. But tomorrow you'll be crying. My man leave me and go outside. My man will leave me and go and follow another lady. Because you're the cause. You have to look good for the man. Look sharp for your man. Dress well. Look good. Sometimes you do one kind guy, you understand? Dress hot, wey be say, you know those gown wey be say you go see, all those shorts wey be say the man go see like this, him hair go dey catch fire. So if you dey think about it, if you say, and my wife picture sef, him head go dey catch. Even some women wey dey say they no get this one, my dear, everything na pack your this thing, buy the thing wey go hold am gbam. You see as I fat so, if I want to buy my own size of this thing, bra, I used to buy big one. Some people will be asking me, how do you get your size? How do you get it so bra will hold your body? Yes, you spend money to get it. You cannot just go and buy it. Can, because to see your size as a fat lady is to see your size of your bra. It's very hard. You understand? What I used to go to the shop and try and find a good size, even though it's expensive. But I'll try to buy. If you want to buy a 1:1. Don't buy like something that you wear tomorrow it will spoil. I used to buy, if I want to buy I buy 1:1 because you know I'm big. I don't want one I wear tomorrow it will cut somewhere. So you have to look good even though you're fat. Buy a good bra that will pack your body. Some of us we are beautiful. Many of us, many women, we are beautiful, but the way we dress, the way we pack ourselves, the way that we pack our body, even the way you pack your breast, you pack it in a good way that even it will be attractive to your husband. When your husband sees it, everything will be, ah, is it my wife? Is it my wife? Is it my girl? Is it what I see the way you look? So it will be attractive to your man. There's some of us who don't say we don't need my dear, you have to look good for your man. Okay? God bless you as you listen to me. Is your babe, every media, your one and only sister, guys. Show me some love and joy of good comment, guys. I love you all. More blessings to you.